Hello guys, welcome to Chasing Infinity. This is Adarsh, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your own machine learning environment so that you can run all your machine learning projects from this environment and everything will be really easy later on. Okay, you can find the written version of this tutorial in the GitHub link posted in my description, so check it out. So we'll be using Anaconda. Okay, so for that, go to this link and download Anaconda. Okay, I would recommend the Python 3.6 version. After you download that, I'm going to cancel since I already have it. You download and install it, and after you install it, go to your start menu and search for Anaconda, and you'll get this Anaconda prompt. Okay, open that. Now we need to make a new environment in this, right? So to create a new environment in this Anaconda prompt, type conda create -n machine learning. So this will be the name of your new environment, and followed by pip and your Python version. Okay, why yes. Okay, so now let's activate the environment we just created. To activate it, type activate machine learning, and as you can see, this has changed to machine learning, so that means the environment is activated. Now to this environment, let's install all the modules that we'll be needing while doing machine learning. So first let's install SciPy. Install SciPy. So as you can see, installing SciPy automatically install NumPy, so we won't need to install that. Next, let's install matplotlib. Oh, wrong spelling. So pip install matplotlib. Next, let's install pandas. So pip install pandas. Next, we will install scikit-learn. So pip install scikit-learn. Next, we will install TensorFlow. So for that, also pip install TensorFlow. Next, we'll install Keras. So pip install Keras. So we'll be mainly using TensorFlow and Keras in our future tutorials to make deep learning models. Now to begin development, we'll be using Spider. To start Spider, you can simply type spyd Spider into the terminal. Spider comes pre-installed with Anaconda. So we'll be writing our code in this section and executing it here. So if you want, you can try if all the installations were installed properly. So for that, let's try import Keras. Now let's check Keras version. So that means Keras was installed properly. Similarly, you can check the versions for all the other modules that we installed to make sure that everything was installed correctly. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you learned something from this today, and please subscribe to my channel as well, since I'll be posting more machine learning videos soon. So I'll see you guys in the next video.